If you decided to record every single second of your life in high-definition 4K video, you would need a storage device with millions of gigabytes. Your hardware would fill up an entire warehouse. Your eyes and ears take in an estimated 11 million bits of information per second. Yet your brain, an organ that weighs just 3 pounds and runs on the electrical equivalent of a dim, 20-watt light bulb, manages to store a lifetime of sights, sounds, and memories without ever running out of space. How is this biologically possible? Most people believe our brains are like video recorders, but the truth is far more bizarre. This is the exact science of the memory ceiling, the literal digital storage limit of the human mind, and the mind-blowing hacks your brain uses to bypass it. To calculate our brain's storage capacity, we have to throw away the concept of computer hard drives. Computers store data in flat, binary code, ones and zeros. A transistor is either on or it is off. Your brain is infinitely more complex. You have roughly 86 billion neurons, but memories aren't stored inside the neurons themselves. They are stored in the connections between them, called synapses. A single neuron can connect to thousands of others, creating a web of over 100 trillion potential pathways. In 2016, researchers at the Salk Institute made a massive breakthrough. They analyzed these synapses at a reconstruction level and discovered something incredible. Our synapses aren't binary. Instead of just on or off, a single synapse can adjust its size and strength in 26 different ways. In computer terms, this means a single synapse can hold about 4.7 bits of information. When you multiply that across the entire brain, scientists estimate our total memory capacity is roughly 2.5 petabytes. That is 2.5 million gigabytes, enough space to continuously record 300 years of high-definition television. You have more than enough storage to last a lifetime, so why do you still forget your passwords? Can we physically upgrade this storage? The answer is yes, and science proved it through one of the most grueling exams on Earth, the knowledge. To become a licensed taxi driver in London, candidates must memorize 25,000 streets and 20,000 landmarks within a 6-mile radius of Charing Cross. It takes up to 4 years of daily study to pass. Scientists at University College London decided to scan the brains of these drivers before and after their training. What they found shocked the medical community. The MRI scans revealed that taxi drivers who successfully memorized the map had physically grown their hippocampus, the brain's primary hard drive controller for spatial memory. This was the first concrete proof of neuroplasticity. Your brain doesn't have a fixed, unyielding storage limit. It can physically expand and reallocate its hardware to accommodate new data, but this upgrade comes with a catch. If we have petabytes of space, why are we so forgetful? Because your brain uses an incredibly aggressive, highly unstable compression algorithm. It doesn't actually save files, it saves summaries. When you experience an event, your brain doesn't record a video. It takes a few key details, like a color, an emotion, or a smell, and discards the rest to save bandwidth. When you try to recall that memory later, your brain doesn't play it back. It actively reconstructs it on the fly, filling in the missing gaps with guesswork and logic. This process is called reconsolidation, and it means your memories are highly corruptible. Pioneering research by psychologist Elizabeth Loftus proved that simply asking a witness a leading question can plant completely false memories in their mind. You don't actually remember the original event, you only remember the last time you recalled it. Every time you access a memory, you rewrite the file, unknowingly adding glitches and fabrications. Your brain values efficiency over accuracy. But what if your brain never deleted anything? What if you had perfect, lossless storage? There is an extremely rare neurological condition called HSAM, highly superior autobiographical memory. People with HSAM can remember almost every single day of their lives in vivid, terrifying detail. Ask them what they had for lunch on October 12, 1998, and they can tell you the weather, what they wore, and the song playing on the radio. At first, this sounds like a superpower, but for those who live with it, it is a living nightmare. Because their brains lack the ability to run synaptic pruning, the automated cleanup crew that deletes useless data while we sleep, they cannot escape their past. A painful memory from 20 years ago feels as raw and agonizing as if it happened 10 seconds ago. Forgetting isn't a design flaw. It is a vital biological feature that keeps us sane. It clears out the noise so we can focus on what actually matters for our survival. Your brain isn't a static hard drive, and it isn't meant to be. It is a beautifully dynamic, self-optimizing biological supercomputer. It might fail to remember where you parked your car, but it is engineered perfectly to keep you adaptable, efficient, and alive. We don't need infinite storage to achieve greatness. We just need the wisdom to let go of the noise. If you want to keep unlocking the hidden ceilings and limits of the human mind, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you at the next threshold.